Okay, real talk. It's been a tough year for tech companies. Between layoffs and budget cuts, marketing and creative teams have been put through the ringer. But all is not lost, and in this video, I'll reveal 5 SaaS companies that are absolutely killing it, despite the economic climate. Many B2B SaaS companies are defying the times and finding ways to continue to grow sustainably. The first on this list is one that's sure to make you happier: Zapier. Despite the economic environment, everyone's favorite automation tool, Zapier, is moving full steam ahead, investing in their teams to accelerate growth. As their former CMO put it, the company was built for a recession. And to this day, they're able to stay agile, which is a key characteristic of resilient companies. Zapier's co-founder and CEO, Wade Foster, shared some tips for scaling an organization that are especially applicable in these times. Put people first. Values matter. Change is constant. Be scrappy and focus on the fundamentals. Jasper AI. The tidal wave of AI has arrived, and Jasper is riding that wave like a pro surfer. In just 2 years, the company has gone from zero to a valuation of $1.5 billion. So you might be wondering how they separated themselves from the pack. Well, with genius marketing. Jasper hosted the AI industry's first ever in-person conference this past February, calling it Gen AI. It sold right out. With clever branding and masterful messaging, Gen AI was a smash success. It's easy to see why Jasper has superfans like these guys. Another brand with superfans? Figma. Just 7 years after launching, this collaborative design platform was acquired by Adobe for a cool $20 billion, making it one of the largest private tech acquisitions ever. Though the tech slump may have worked in Figma's favor in this acquisition, there's no question that Dylan Field is a forward-thinking CEO who built an insanely successful business. How? He recognized early on, like way back in 2013, the importance of good design, saying, "We realized there is a macro movement happening where design is becoming way more important to many different organizations, many disrupting huge sectors. It's the way you make your product win." ServiceNow. Another trendsetter, ServiceNow, which is a workflow automation platform, has promised absolutely no layoffs in 2023. With quarterly growth holding steady at around 30%, I think you can hold them to their word. Back in 2022, they were one of the first companies to spot slowing demand and reacted proactively, not by cutting back, but by scaling strategically. In addition to focusing on growth and profitability, the company also just has a good attitude. In CMO Michael Park's words, "Let's not be a victim of the environment. Let's use the environment with a positive attitude to lead into the value we can create and help people see it's not as bad as it looks." Thanks, Michael. I needed that. Grammarly. Grammarly was born in the Great Recession. Well, not actually born. I don't think you can give birth to corporate entities, but it was created during the recession of 2008. So you can bet they know a thing or two about resilience. It's etched into their company DNA and reflected in their core values, which also include adaptability and grit. Right now, Grammarly is one of the most valuable private tech companies in the United States, and it's still hiring for hundreds of roles across North America and Europe. Now, that's confidence. But what do all these companies have in common? From Grammarly's famous YouTube ads to Figma's iconic branding, each brand has recognized that creativity and good design are crucial variables for success. Here at Superside, we couldn't agree more. And we share proof of this concept and the concrete steps leading tech companies like these are taking to chart a course to resilience and growth. Featuring experts from leading SaaS companies like Zapier, Figma, and Jasper, it's chock full of advice to help you shift with this market, improve agility, and make smart, calculated bets on growth. Grab your free copy of the guide in the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos to help you level up your marketing and design.